Hello friends, I want to introduce our memory card case to you. We have several types. This is the first one. Toolbox design. This is the small one, middle one, and the biggest one. I will introduce it to you one by one. This small one. We have two colors. This one is red. One is black inner, and another one is red one. And this one can hold 2 SQD, 2 CF, 2 TF, 3 SD card. Water resistant design. And the second one, this one can hold 24 pieces card. It includes 12 pieces TF card, 8 pieces SD card, and 4 pieces CF card. And this one is the biggest one. Huge capacity, 36 pieces slot. I'll show you. This one can hold 3 XQD, 3 CF, 12 SD, 6 TF card, 6 mains card, and 6 non card. Huge capacity, right? Welcome to choose our memory card case. Thank you very much.